The firm builds and maintains custom manufacturing machines. Their clients need information on new models and access to technical documentation and the maintenance planning for their own machines. For this, they log onto the firm's portal. As a client, I can consult the newsfeed. I can also consult all the relevant documents that are shared with me. I can follow up on my requests, for example, for repair or modifications. And I have a calendar view on planned interventions, meetings, events, etc. How can you quickly and easily set up a customer portal for this engineering firm? Build your pages by adding blocks and include images to improve the look and feel. Next, we add a calendar showing planned meetings and maintenance interventions. To set up the page where clients can track their support requests, simply add the Task app. Then filter the tasks you want to display here. If you wish to notify your client, create a maintenance task and fill in the invitation form. Select the customer where you need to perform the maintenance. The event appears in their portal calendar and an email invitation is sent automatically.